Hello and welcome to ESPN Cricket 4 Dailies. I'm Nikhil Shetty with the top cricket news this Thursday. First up, Rohit Sharma says not playing cricket for 6 months is challenging and it would be his primary concern as he gears up for the IPL. Front foot no balls will be called by the TV umpire for the first time in Test cricket during the England-Pakistan series, and Sophie Devine joins the Perth Scorchers in the WBBL. Rohit Sharma has said not playing cricket for 6 months is challenging and it would be his primary concern as he gears up to lead defending IPL champions Mumbai Indians next month. Rohit has not played any cricket since he tore his left calf on February 2nd during the T20 series in New Zealand. The injury forced Rohit to miss the ODI and Test legs of the New Zealand tour, and he was not part of the squad for the ODI series at home against South Africa as he recuperated from the injury. The postponement of the IPL from its regular window in the summer due to the COVID-19 pandemic allowed Rohit to regain his fitness, which he is now eager to test on the field. The 2020 IPL is scheduled to start on September 19, and although the tournament schedule is yet to come out, Mumbai will play Chennai Super Kings in the first match as per the norm. According to Rohit, the slow nature of pitches in the UAE will play a dominant hand. Front foot no balls will be called by the TV umpire for the first time in Test cricket during the England-Pakistan series as the system is assessed with a view to further use in the future. ESPN Cricket Info understands since the technology has been used successfully in ICC events, including the World Cup Super League recently, and all the necessary equipment is already in the UK, both England and Pakistan were keen to use it. It's understood that the ICC will forward the results of the trial to the Chief Executive Committee to determine whether it can be used consistently in the future World Test Championship series. Of late, there has been increasing scrutiny over the volume of no balls not called by the on-field umpires in Test cricket. Under this system, all calling of front foot no balls is left to the TV umpire, who then alerts the on-field officials of any overstepping within a matter of seconds. On England's tour of Sri Lanka in 2018, broadcasters counted as many as 12 no balls missed by the umpires during one 5-over spell. In last year's Australia-Pakistan series, Channel 7 tallied up to 21 had been missed during 2 sessions on the second day. News from the WBBL and the Perth Scorchers will be able to field a formidable top order in the Women's Big Bash League, having secured the signing of Sophie Devine, who has also been named captain. Devine joins Australia batter Beth Mooney as major acquisitions for the Scorchers as they look to reshape the batting unit following Meg Lanning's move back to the Melbourne Stars. Devine has been one of the informed players in the world over the last 18 months and was the player of the tournament in last season's WBBL, where she scored 769 runs and took 19 wickets for the Adelaide Strikers. She then led New Zealand at the T20 World Cup earlier this year and has since been named their permanent captain.